Hi, greetings everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about AI-based website through which you can create your portfolio website just in just a few clicks with the help of one prompt. Okay, so let's get into it. The website I am talking about is Farmer AI. Okay, so this website you can create any kind of website. You can also create landing pages, professional website without coding, any kind of coding. Okay, so before proceeding further, let's this is the website. This is the overall look of the website. Okay, you can see a lot of ready-made templates as well. So first of all, we are going to create an account on this website because we are going to need this account for making website. Okay, so let's sign up it first. So I will prefer to continue with Google account. You can also write your own email and can do the things manually as well. But I prefer to choose my Google account because I just need to select my account and it will fetch all of my details automatically. So now it's asking me to choose a name. So this is the name and let's click on this continue button. And here we can tell them then for what purpose you are going to use it. So we are going to do it for education purposes. Let's see, as a marketer, and let's say I'm just selecting some random. Okay, so today we are going to create a portfolio website for a video editing service. Okay, so we will continue this in browser. By the way, they also have a desktop application. You can simply click on this download button to download on your Windows or Mac. Okay, so this is the interface of my dashboard account, and now it has given us the multiple templates. Okay, you can also use AI for creating these templates, but these are the ready-made templates, and we are in the portfolio section. You can choose any of the templates if you like. Let's say we want to go with this template. Okay, or you can also proceed with this blank project, and then you can implement AI, or you will write a prompt and then it will generate a website for you. Okay, so here you can see that it has generated a portfolio for us and it looks like this one. Okay, and it has multiple pages as well. But if you want to create with the help of AI, you will click on this warframe and let's say create a portfolio website for video editing services, and then it will start creating a website for you. Okay, so I have given it a title as well, and now it has regenerated. Create a personal portfolio for me with the intro and agreed with project title and dates and content, and my service is video editing. And after that you will just hit the enter button and it will start working on it, and it will create a website for you here. Okay, this is the ready-made template that's been open right now, and now I have given it the command and then it will generate a website in front of you, and then after that you can do the customization as you want. Okay, you have multiple options for doing this. So here you can see that it has started generated with my name, and now it will add some settings as well. So it's asking me if I want to add more projects to my portfolio or anything, or you can also add a contact form as well. Whatever you want to add, you just need to write a prompt here and then it will add into your website. So that was all about how you can use Farmer AI for creating a portfolio website with the help of the AI. But if you want to go with the ready-made template, you can also go with the ready-made templates. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please thumbs up for this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.